what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Greek box unboxing for you. I did peek in this box, I'm not gonna lie, but I still wanted to show you guys everything that I got. And then whenever you open it, you can see I already ripped it, but it has this little watermelon sticker. I don't know if you can see it. But it says Summer Vibes by GreekBox.com. And then inside you get the card that tells you everything that's in here, and then this card tells you about their new quarterly subscription that they're starting in September that is called Stitchbox. So it's like for stitched letters, and you're guaranteed 2 sets of stitched letters. It doesn't tell you the price of this on here, but I will link this box and then the page for the Stitch box down below in case you're interested. So the first thing that is in here is, this is a wire wrap, it says. I don't know that I have many wires to wrap, but it's a watermelon and it says AST on one side and Greek box on the other, so there's that. This box is $29.95 a month. This is a Watermelon Wishes bracelet. It says, close your eyes and make a wish. Now tie this bracelet to your wrist. When the bracelet breaks into, the wish you wished will soon come true. So this is kind of like the idea with friendship bracelets. I might honestly just give this to a future little because I don't really wear bracelets like that. And then they also gave you 2 watermelon airheads. I guess I should show you guys this bracelet. That's what it looks like. And then a watermelon sticker which says Alpha Sigma Tau on it. They give you a sticker in about every box, I think. And this is a water bottle, and it says Alpha Sigma Tau, Summer So Sweet, and it has a watermelon on it. It's actually really cute. I like it. It's really pretty. I don't know that I'll use it, but like I said, I've been saving stuff for future little. And the last thing in here is the apparel item, which is what I wanted to see what it was. So this is what it looks like. And it says on it Alpha Sigma Tau, Summer Vibes. I have a little watermelon, it's really cute. It's in a size large. I think I'm gonna need to change my size on this box to a medium since I've lost weight. I definitely am more of a medium than a large in most shirts. So anyways, catch those summer vibes in your island Reef Comfort Colors tee. So that's what that was. It is a Comfort Colors. Most of them are taste like strawberries on a summer evening. We think so. Use your custom watermelon water bottle. So that's what this is. It's time to pack things up for campus. Keep things tidy with your new watermelon wire wrap. So I guess this could come in handy whenever you're on campus, if you need to like keep your wires, like if you have them kind of far from where you plug them in at. I don't have that issue in my dorm room. Let's make a wish with your handmade watermelon wish bracelet made just for you. So that's, and then the sticker and the airheads are like freebies that they stick in the box. And it says they're doing a giveaway. Drawing is on July 16th, sorry. Kate Spade watermelon coin purse. Win the adorable Kate Spade coin purse. Tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok for a chance to win #GreekBox. And it says bid day boxes are now available for 24 sororities. Complete the order form on our website. Minimum order is quantity 12, and please allow up to 2 weeks for delivery. So if you have a larger sorority and you want to get bid day boxes, that would probably be a good thing. But that is everything that was in this month's Greek box. Very cute. I'm probably gonna take a picture of it and post it on Instagram and tag them so that I can be entered to win that Kate Spade coin purse. But other than that, that is all for this video. If you guys would like to see more Greek life content and whatnot, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you like unboxings, also give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if you would like to see more unboxings, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys would like to see more of my craziness and things that I do and whatnot. But that is about it. All of my social media will be linked in the description box down below, including my including my Instagram page for my business, which will be launching on July 15th. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!